Here is how Blue Guardian handles expert advisors and copy trading. Break this rule and your account is void. That is the highest severity level Blue Guardian assigns. The line is ownership. Running your own expert advisor or copying trades across your own accounts is fully allowed. But the moment you copy someone else's signals, a group buy service, a signal provider, anything you did not build yourself, the account is gone. Before you connect any copier, confirm the source account is yours. If you use a third-party expert advisor, verify it does not pull signals from a shared pool.